Woof woof. You recording? Woof woof. Woof woof. This is Frodo. She's the female that's banded the male there. A bit smaller than she is, which she's a bit afraid of her.
Oh.
She always looks afraid. Woof woof.
Isn't that the best? Woof woof. Does sound like a woof. Woof woof. Woof woof.
So these guys are endangered in Victoria because there's only about 50 pairs in the wild now. So.
50?
Yeah.
Wow. Why are they, do people shoot them?
No,
or?
lots of habitat and competition.
Cats, foxes.
Now, these guys are hawk owls, which means that you can see the face isn't that flat face you often associate with owls. They'll hunt by sight alone. They'll hunt in the day as well as at night. So.
Okay. That is awesome. What a funny bird. Oh my goodness. What a cutie. Aw. Oh, hey. Woof, woof.
He's looking at her. And...
Hey.
Typical female. You're the chatty one.